Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Today is Sunday and the date is 13th of December 2020. Last week we were talking about how Earth can move two movements. We said it can move around its axis and we call it something, and it can move around the sun and we call it something. Who can help me over here? Let's start with Talia. Talia, when Earth moves around its axis, what do we call it? Open your mic and then speak.
When Earth spins around its axis, it's what's it called? Oh yes, a rotation. Is it?
Excellent. It is
Yeah.
rotation. We call it rotation.
Spins around its
Write it. Rotation. Excellent, excellent. Rotation. Okay, yeah, Rihanna. Rotation is when Earth spins around its axis. How long it will take to complete one whole rotation?
24 hours or 1
Excellent.
day.
24 hours or 1 day. Okay, yeah, Lian. It will cause what? This rotation.
The rotation will cause the Earth to spin.
Okay, when Earth.
The Earth spins around its axis for a full year, for 360.
No, we said it's 24 hours and 1 day. Okay, this will cause what? Seasons or day and night?
Day and night.
Excellent, day and night. Thank you. Thank you. Now, yeah, Layan, please.
Yes, miss.
When Earth spins around the sun, what do I call this movement?
Revolution.
Excellent revolution. Excellent revolution. And yeah, Maria, is Maria here?
Yes, teacher.
Hello, dear. Maria, sweetie, how long it will take to complete one whole revolution?
1 year.
1 year. Excellent. Or we say
365 days.
Excellent, excellent, yeah, Maria. Bravo.
How many weeks though? Teacher.
Oh, yes?
Every time we take this about the rotation and revolution, I always answer this question.
No, really?
Me too. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you answer the second one? What causes revolution? Hi, Maria.
What?
Revolution causes what? Day and night or something else?
Season.
Seasons. Excellent. Seasons. Is there something else we talked about?
Yes.
What? Can you tell me?
The axis.
Yes, what's an axis? Excellent. Yes, you can answer that. What's an axis?
Answer?
Yes, Celia.
An axis is an imaginary line that Earth spins or moves around it.
Excellent.
Or with it.
Okay, is it straight or a little bit tilted?
A little bit curvy and tilted.
Tilted, not curvy, it's tilted. So we learned the word axis and we said axis means an imaginary line that Earth spins around. We will say Earth spins around an.
Miss, where do we write this? Do you write this?
That's not how you write imaginary. You have to write I instead of E.
Wow, I love my English teacher.
Okay.
Okay, dear, I'm sorry I didn't answer you. We don't write this one. This is just a summary of our lesson. And we took the word orbit. I'm just revising with you what we learned. This session is recorded. So if you want to go back to it and learn from it, or maybe you want to memorize it from this lesson, you can go back to the recorded session. Okay? If you want to write it, I'll be very happy. I love you guys when you write, definitely. But I'm really sorry.
That's why I have the science notebook.
Nice, nice.
Me
But
too.
I'm really sorry, Leon. We don't have time to do it now, right now. I can't wait for you until you finish right, okay?
Okay.
Very good. What's
It's okay,
an
I'm
orbit?
gonna write it later.
Yeah, very
Mine.
Very good. Thank you, Yalayan. Okay, if you know the word orbit, raise your hand so I can choose one of you to answer me. What's orbit? What do I mean by orbit? Yes, Rayana.
Orbit is a space. It is in space.
It is in space. Excellent. What happens in space when object
Move, spin around.
other object
Other
where
object in space.
Excellent. You are correct. So it is in space when object spins around other object in space. So who's orbiting in space? Can you give me an example, Lian? Can you give me an example?
Okay. Just flip my. Let me just flip my book.
No, it's when an object spins around other object in space. Who spins around who in space?
I know.
The Earth spins around the sun.
Excellent. When Earth orbits around the sun, what else? Only Earth, Yaleen? Thank you. Thank you,
No,
Lee.
the moon also rotates around Earth.
Excellent. It's not rotate, it's orbit around Earth. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Yaleen. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, let's see what do we have more over here. So proud of you. Excellent girls, mashallah, tabarakallah. Please keep your mics closed.
Okay.
Wait, what? We're done?
No, we're not.
Yay. I'm still happy.
Okay, there is something in the sky, okay? When you look at the sky and you see a lot of stars and they have a shape or they make a pattern, we call it a name. We call it a constellation. A constellation is a group of stars, okay? They form a pattern or sometimes they form a shape. Look at this picture over here. These two boys are looking at the star and they are seeing a lot of shapes. Sometimes they mean something. Some people, they use constellation to learn the way or they want to know the direction. Is it south, north, or what is it? These pictures show stars seen from the same location during summer and winter. Look at the one on the left, it's summer. The one on the right, it's winter. The constellation seems to change their places in the sky. So, do we have the same constellation during all days of the year? Hi, Atalia. What do you think?
No, I think
No.
it always.
It always change. Excellent. Thank you, Talia. Talia, I want you to read for me. Constellation is what? Over here.
And what page?
It's page 304.
Yeah. A constellation is a group that seems to form a picture in the night sky. The early Greeks named constellations after animals or people from stories called nymphs.
Myth. Yes. The Big Dipper is a part of constellation called Ursa Major or Great Bear. So the Big Dipper is, yes, the Big Dipper is the most known constellation all over the world, okay? Who invented, who learned about constellation first? They are the Greeks, the Greek people. As Earth rotates on its axis, constellations seems to move across the night sky. Definitely, if Earth is moving, you're not going to see the same star every day or the whole year. Is that right? We said when Earth goes around the sun, it changes its position. So that's why we have summer, winter, autumn and spring. So definitely stars will be not the same when you having summer than winter. Now look at the picture down here. For thousands of years, people have seen pictures in the stars. They connect the stars to make a pattern or a shape. Now, how about if you make your own constellation and give it a name? I want you open to page 305. Draw your own constellation and give it a name. Each one of you, if you do it, just show it to me, please.
I don't know, but
I want to make this shape for me.
Miss, I'm lost because while you were explaining, I was doing my last ring check. So I'm lost. What page is it?
It's page 305. Please, Leanne, when we are explaining, you have to listen to the teacher and not doing other things, okay? So you don't be...
I was listening.
Very good. So you know what is constellation? Can you tell me?
I know about my
And I always do it.
A group of stars that seems to form a picture in the night sky.
Okay, find the page.
Rayana? Thank you, Rayana, for telling me that. But I was asking Leanne. Can you, Leanne, tell me what is a constellation?
Constellation is a group of stars that seems to form an animal or people's form stories is called myths.
Excellent.
Right?
Okay. For me, I'm going to draw this constellation and I'm going to call it ox. It looks like an ox.
I got a lion.
Does it look like an ox?
Yes, but
Yeah.
I got a lion.
Nice. Can you show it to me?
What does mine look like?
Let me see.
I can't see, Leanne.
Here?
Now I can see, yes.
What is it?
I don't know.
Teacher, I thought we had to write a name. I wrote like this word.
Yes, Maria.
Name that's Alex, and I just made.
Oh, you drew something look like a lion. I love it, Maria. Mashallah.
Let me see. Wait. Where are you?
Here, look at mine.
Nice.
I thought you said I had to do like a
Miss, I called mine the Ality.
Nice. Call it names. Yes, excellent. Leah,
I
Leanna, can I see yours?
lion.
Hi, Leah, Leanna, can I see yours?
To me?
Teacher, what is it?
I want to see everyone's, please.
Miss, I have the worst shape.
No, don't say that, Leanne. Don't say
Yeah,
that.
I don't
You are
know
the
what
most
to
beautiful
do.
girl, and you must.
What? Who's saying? Teacher, I made another one. Can I show you?
Yes, of course.
It's called the Squareosaurus because it's a square and it's a dinosaur. A square.
Nice.
That's funny.
Okay, this is the
Okay, I'm
point
done.
of
Miss, do
making.
you want to see mine?
Of course, I would love to see yours. Hi, Rital, where's yours?
Well, what should I call it?
Where is yours, ya Rital?
Rital. What is he talking to you?
Rital can, oh, she can't speak.
Oh, yeah.
She doesn't have a mic. Rital, show me yours, please. Just show it to the camera.
Rital.
Teacher, what do I do?
Why
I
are you
want you
always
to
like
show me your
this?
constellation.
Okay, Miss, I'm done. I'm done. My first one. It's named Top Laser.
Mm.
Here, wait,
I did
wait,
another one and
yes,
it's
here.
called the
Oh, nice. I love it.
Look, I made
Nice,
a
Science
dinosaur.
Princess.
You can hold it like a hand.
Yes, I'm not the
and then from
science
here-
lord. I'm the science.
Okay,
Missy,
Leon, just a minute.
Missy, mine.
Leon, I love it. Thank you very much. Yes, yeah, Talia, I love it too. Yes, yeah,
I made
Rihanna.
2 dinosaurs.
Science god.
The Squareosaurus and the
Okay, very nice, Rihanna. Now let's go back to the book, please, everyone.
Okay.
Okay, this is our place in space. Look at the sun. We all,
It looks like the solar system.
yes, this is our place over here. We all orbit around the sun, okay? Moon is orbiting around us. After Earth, we have Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So this is definitely the solar system. But
the moon
when
isn't a planet.
people measure time using sundials, look at this picture. You know this tool? What is this tool called?
No.
It's a sundial. It's a sundial.
Yes,
How, yes, how is
Yeah.
it working? It's using the sun and the shadow to learn what time is it now.
No.
Can you see?
Yes.
So the changing shadow will cast by what the sun seemed to confirm that the sun revolved around Earth. We now know that the sun doesn't revolve around Earth. Earth revolves around the sun. So they used before to think that the sun goes around Earth, which is wrong. So the picture over here is wrong.
No.
They thought that this is the sun and the sun is going around Earth. Do you think this picture looks right or this picture looks wrong?
It's
Yes,
absolutely
of course
wrong.
it looks wrong.
It's very, very wrong.
Excellent. It's very wrong because sun doesn't go around Earth. The Earth goes around the sun. Excellent.
In its place.
The first one
The sun.
Miss,
first
wait, I'll
one-
tell you.
The first, in just a minute, let me close your mic so I can explain. I'm having
I'll show
trouble
you.
to tell you anything. I'm sorry. Now, look at this picture. Galileo is the first one who studied the night sky, and he is the first one who invented the telescope. This is the first telescope that was invented before, okay? It was invented by the scientist Galileo, okay? He was the first one who studied about the night sky and he used a telescope. His observations helped support the sun-centered model of the solar system. He approved that all the planets are revolving around the sun, okay? The picture here show a replica of Galileo's telescope and Jupiter and four of its moon. Now this is Jupiter, and you can see 4 of its moon around it. So Jupiter have 4 moons. He explored or observed this from his telescope. So you learned that Galileo was the first scientist who learned about the night sky, and he approved that this picture is wrong. All planets revolve around the sun and they do not revolve around Earth. Okay, guys? That's it for today. I just want to do with you the first page of Sum It Up, okay? As a conclusion to our lesson. Now, let's open the mics for you. I'm gonna open the mics for you guys and have your questions definitely and your answers. Welcome, Bushra. You came very late. Now you can open your mics.
It's because
Thank
the
you.
school thing. Miss, can you go back to page 307?
Why?
Because I want to show you something.
Miss, can I do?
Yes, Ryan, of course you can do. I'll let you do the first one. Yes, Yaleen?
Okay.
Miss, I want to say something.
Can you also show me the Earth because I want to show you something, and because I want to show you what they're supposed to be. So see the sun here? The sun's supposed to be here, and the Earth is supposed to be here.
Yes, excellent. That's what I was trying to tell you since the beginning. Excellent. Thank you, Aline. Thank you
Miss,
for
can I say
confirming
something?
this.
Okay, because
Yes, sure.
teacher, is it okay?
Yes, Elian. Just a minute, Rayana. Yes, Elian.
You see this word play?
Mm-hmm.
This is one of my favorites. It's one of my favorite because I learned the trick of it. It's really nice. I'm going to. Can I tell you the trick like tomorrow? Because
Of course,
tomorrow
while we are
do it.
doing it, definitely
Yes.
you can tell me the trick. Now we have only 3 minutes to do this one. Definitely we are not
Okay.
gonna write. We are only gonna answer the question tomorrow. We will write about them, okay? Now,
Can I tell you something?
yes?
Tomorrow I want to answer first.
Okay. Is it okay because Leon wrote the science God?
No, it's not okay. There's only one God, which is Rabbana. Wahid al-Awhad. No.
Okay, I'm gonna write Lord.
This is
No.
not okay.
Lord
at
is
all.
mine. No.
I took it before
Lord is
you.
mine.
Okay, guys.
No,
Okay,
I'm the
guys.
one who wrote it.
Enough,
Your
please.
team.
Enough, please. I don't want you to write any more names. You have to write your name. You have to write Leen Bafayad. Also, you, Layan, you have to write Layan Shaheen. Never give yourself names. Everyone.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you to change it.
I see something called the sense Lord.
Leon.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm ready.
Nice. Thank you.
I'm done.
Everyone. Okay, now, this is the summary of our lesson. Now we have only 1 minute to do it. Thanks to you guys. Now, number 1 is day and night are caused by what? Earth revolution around the sun? This is definitely wrong. What is the correct, Ya Rayana? I ask you to do it first. Rayana? Number 1, Ya Rayana. This is wrong.
It is rotation.
Excellent. Day and night are caused by Earth rotation. Now, Bushra, number 2, the discovery of moons around Jupiter proved that all objects in space revolve around Jupiter or revolve around what?
Earth?
All the objects in space, they revolve around Earth?
No.
Okay.
The moon or sun?
The sun. All the objects around the sun. Sorry. Let's go back. Let's go back to this one. When Galileo, okay, saw the moons over here of Jupiter, he proved that all objects are revolving around Earth, which is wrong. But this is what he discovered when he learned about Jupiter and the 4 moons. This is definitely wrong, but at this time, or that time when he learned about the 4 moons, he said, oh, all objects are revolving around Earth. Okay? This is what he discovered that time. It doesn't mean that it is the correct thing. Okay, guys? Now, number 3, Earth seasons are caused by Earth revolution and rotation in space. Seasons. Hi, Alayan. Seasons are caused by what? See, Maria, I didn't
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
your name now. Leanne, Earth seasons are
Yes.
caused by what? Earth revolution and rotation in space?
Earth seasons.
Okay, it's caused by what?
Wait, what number are you in?
Number 3.
Okay. Earth seasons are caused by Earth revolution and rotation in space. No, it's caused only by revolution, and it takes 1 year.
Excellent.
1
And
year
also,
or 35 days, right? No, not
365.
Yeah.
Remember, Leanne, when I told you that the axis is tilted?
Yeah.
Axis is tilted, it's also help Earth to have different seasons when it's go around the sun. So we can say Earth season are caused by Earth revolution and its axis is tilted. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Now, during winter in the northern hemisphere, there are more hours of daylight and it's warmer. If it's winter, is it more hours of daylight? And is it really warmer? During winter. No, during winter we have less hours. We have less hours and definitely it is colder. Okay, guys? When it's a spring in northern hemisphere, the season is not summer in south hemisphere, the opposite side. What is it? What is the opposite of spring? Fall. It's not spring, summer. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We're going to write tomorrow. We are going to repeat all that tomorrow. So have a nice break. Have a nice day. We'll definitely see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.